In part 4, we'll take a look at the ever-growing, ever-expanding options available to you out there today. Of course, there's cable TV. Companies such as Comcast, Charter, AT&T all charge a monthly fee ranging anywhere from a promotional intro rate of $30 per month for the first year all the way up to $100 and more. These same cable providers also supply internet to you. So that is something that's really important to pay attention to. These cable companies not only are providing cable TV, but they're providing internet. And more people are cutting their cable and watching television through the internet. So what does that mean? That means internet charges will increase to help compensate for the loss in cable TV. There is still satellite TV as well, but I think this is probably a dying industry because even Dish TV, DirecTV, which is now AT&T TV, also provide streaming services over the internet. So I think the days of satellite TV are probably numbered. So you want to cut the cord. What are your options? I'm a big fan of CNET. CNET.com provides people with excellent reviews on technology, televisions, computers, anything kind of tech. So I look to them for advice and for reviews. Here's a list of the best live TV streaming services according to CNET if you want to cut the cord. When it comes to online live TV, services like Sling TV, Hulu Live TV, YouTube TV, all compete directly with cable companies. They charge a monthly fee, but that monthly fee is much less expensive, $20 to $40. But the choices can be limited. When you do sign up for one of these options, you do get a bunch of channels. You might not get 500 channels like you do with cable, but you'll get a lot. So let's take a look at them individually. With Sling TV, it's really considered the best for the money, only $35 a month. YouTube TV is really the best for high-end streaming. If you're looking for high-quality video streaming, this is probably your best bet. There is also Hulu, which is also considered best for on-demand. And if you're a sports fan, Fubo TV is great for you. If you want a lot of channels and you're more of a kind of a channel flipper, there's AT&T TV for $70. Let's take a quick look at YouTube TV and see what they offer. As you can see, there's no annual contract. It includes the NFL, NBA, and Major League Baseball networks. But that being said, if you want to watch your favorite team or a particular team, you have to get an additional package, which is a separate cost to add on to these networks. YouTube TV is one of the few online live TV services that provide PBS. I think one of the great things with YouTube TV is that it includes unlimited cloud DVR storage. That means you can digitally record and store that program so that you can watch it later. There's also subscription streaming. This is very popular and is highly competitive. Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, and other smaller players charge a subscription fee, usually around $8 to $14 per month, for unlimited viewing of all the TV content and the movies, including original programs. Shows are delivered over the internet so you can watch on a computer, a smart TV, a mobile device. Netflix, Prime, Hulu, Apple TV, and many of them have original programs. So they are directly competing with your classic networks like CBS, ABC, Fox, and so on. Now let's take a look at how to choose which TV streaming service is best for you. Let's take a quick look at Hulu. There's a low monthly fee for the base plan. They've got a great selection of TV programs that you're familiar with, but they also have less original series programming like Netflix and Amazon Prime. Netflix by far is the most popular. They have an excellent recommendation engine, meaning when you watch programs on Netflix, there's an algorithm that basically sees what you watch and then makes suggestions based on that to suggest things for you that you might be interested in. There's never any commercials with Netflix. That's probably the biggest thing that I really enjoy about Netflix. Let's take a quick look here at the different plans. So you've got basic, standard, and premium. And $8.99 for basic, $13.99, and $17.99 for premium. So what are the big differences? It really comes down to video quality. Okay, so if you have a 4K TV, you might want to get the premium. But if you're like me, I've got the basic plan. There's Amazon Prime Video, which if you are currently an Amazon Prime subscriber, this comes built in with your subscription and your account. Disney Plus is a relatively new player, been out a couple of years. If you are a huge Disney movie fan, you've got every Disney movie available to you, as well as Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, and National Geographic. Peacock, which is an NBC streaming network. The free version is actually quite good, but if you want full access to major shows and originals, you have to do the paid version. So again, there's free, there's $4.99 kind of basic program, and the $9.99 a month program, and that gives you everything that the premium program does, but with no commercials. HBO Max has a huge catalog of new movies. So if you're looking for the latest, greatest movie to come out, HBO Max most likely is going to have it. It costs more, but it's worth it. During the pandemic, all the movie theaters were closed. So if you wanted to see a brand new movie that came out, you could most likely catch it on HBO Max. So let's kind of sum it up here. With Hulu, it's really the best for keeping up with current television programs. With Netflix, it's great for binging old TV shows and movies. Prime Video is great for streaming newer movies. And if you're a huge Disney fan or Marvel movie fan, Disney Plus is probably the choice for you. Peacock is great for exploring a large free catalog, and HBO Max best for new and old hit movies, but a little bit more expensive. Then there are a couple of other players. Apple TV was launched just 15 months ago and is only $5 a month. They have quite a bit of original content as well. And the brand spanking new player out there as of March 4th is Paramount Plus. For demonstration purposes, let's check out Netflix. And in this demonstration, I'm going to use my iPad, and we're going to go and use the Netflix app. So let me swipe and find my Netflix app. In fact, I have all my TV-related apps here under a TV folder that I've created on my iPad. So you can see here I've got ABC, PBS, Netflix, Hulu, Apple TV. But let's check out Netflix for demo purposes. So I'm going to give Netflix a tap. I'm going to go into my account here, which is under Julie. And I am in my Netflix app. As you can see, the very first thing that pops up is what Netflix is currently promoting. But I can scroll through here, and I can scroll from top to bottom. I can also scroll from left to right. And any film or TV show that has an N right here means that that is a Netflix original series. And let's kind of keep scrolling here. There's comedies and new releases. There's thousands and thousands and thousands of different movies and TV shows that are available. If I don't want to scroll, I can go right up here to my search button here in the upper right hand corner, and I can give that a tap, and my keyboard pops up, and I can type in the search bar any movie that Netflix has. I can search by movie title, actor, director, genre. In this case, I'm going to type in Mel Gibson. And when I do that, it brings up all the various movies that are available on Netflix that star Mel Gibson. So let's say I'm interested in The Professor and the Madman. I can tap on that. It gives me the option to either download the movie or play the movie right now. Again, if I download the movie, the entire movie file downloads onto my iPad, and I can watch it at any time, any place, without the need to be connected to the internet. If I want to play it right now, I can just simply tap on play, and the film will begin to play. If I want to get out of here, I can just hit the X in the upper right corner. I'm back to my main list. I can also go to the home section very quickly with one tap, and I'm back to the main list here. You'll also see a category called My List. These are movies that I have added to my own personal playlist that I can watch at any time. So let me show you how to add a movie to a playlist. So let me scroll down here. I'm just going to randomly pick one here. Let's pick this one, this film about Michael Jordan. So I'm going to give that a tap. And if I want to add it to my playlist, there's a little plus symbol right down here. And when I tap on that, it now turns to a check mark, and now that has been added to my personal playlist. And you can see it's been added right there. That is Netflix in a nutshell. It is a great app. It's a great service. And again, you can use Netflix on multiple devices, smartphones, tablets, or your smart TV. Two more categories in this section are single channel websites and apps. So you can subscribe to some TV channels, websites, and apps to watch just their shows without having to sign up for a larger TV package. CBS, HBO, Showtime, all of them offer these options. That being said, some of them require that you have a cable TV subscription in order to use these apps. The final category in this section are pay-per-view services. Services such as iTunes and Vudu let you rent or buy single titles, a movie, one episode of a show, or a whole season. Amazon Video, the company's pay-per-view service, offers this option too. So if you don't want to, subscribe to a certain package and you just want to purchase a movie or watch a movie one time, these services are also available to you. And to wrap up part 4, let's talk about your choices for streaming media players. There is the Amazon Fire Collection, Roku, Apple TV, and Google Chromecast. There are more choices out there, but I chose these 4. As you can see, each one of these has kind of an entry-level device that you can use to get started. All of these devices plug into the back of your TV. So, if you currently don't have a smart TV and you want to turn your dumb TV into a smart one, you can plug these devices into the back of your TV and they will connect you to the internet. Next is a quick video about Google Chromecast.
This is Chromecast with Google TV. It's a handy streaming device that plugs right into your TV. It comes with a voice remote, so you can be like, find action movies. And it will show you all the action movies on one screen, no matter which one of your streaming services they're on. So no more, wait, where is that movie? Google TV is great at helping you find exactly what you want to watch, even if you don't know what that is yet. What should I watch? So, yeah, that's Chromecast with Google TV from Google.